Good morning, guys. This Jets is finally going. Nice. CCL2. This Snapchat, I don't know what the hell happened in the last 30 minutes on Friday, but I like it. I like it. That's what a strong stock does. There's always a reason for a strong stock to go up and a weak stock to go down. Our job is to find those. This SC is also setting up later this week. A lot of China names are Beely, Baidu, PDD. Just a few more days and they're gonna look pretty good. The white trend lines, they can't be done anymore. There used to be two different types of trend lines, now there's only one. You can manually change the color of them if you want to, but the white ones can't be drawn anymore. They diversified TC2000. Yeah, MU looks pretty decent. I like it. Alright. Hopefully we can go sideways a few more days so these setups can become better. Yeah, it's a good thing. The longer Bitcoin can go sideways, the better setups we're gonna have in Mara and Riot for later this week or next week. Yala, oh, did they have earnings today? Oh damn, this SI. Oh, I wanted this thing. After a few more days of sideways. Oh, silver is coming back. Which means it's HGQ time. Is it a good setup though? It's more of a potential pocket pivot type of a setup. But it is relentlessly building higher lows. It just won't go away. Like gold has gone away. Like gold has broken down, it looks like shit. But silver just keeps coming back, building higher lows and a big flag on a weekly and monthly. Dark pools. A dark pool. Is it like a pool without lighting? Or what is it? I hate dark pools. It's so scary. Like when you wanna take a swim at night and there are unlit pools, there could be anything in there. There could be a corpse in there that you don't see. I honestly don't know what all of these things are. Dark pools, light pools. I don't think they're relevant for making money in the markets. Not sure. Oh, dark pools are big institutional positions? But how do you know? IRBT, yeah, this is a good looking one. We can break out on volume, would be nice. That is true. Oh, Czech is today's flavor, I guess. Oh man, this pen hurts to look at. I don't know why I didn't buy it. Oh, and AAL too. Why didn't I buy that one? CTRM. I don't know. Maybe. Could. Yeah, maybe. Not sure. BW 5-star? No, it's not 5-star. Maybe 3-star. Not even that. VIAC weak? No, it's not. It's up on the day. It's relentless building higher lows. I don't see it as being weak. But I am watching it for a potential short. Not sure today is the day. And this disc also. But I hope today is not. I hope they speed up. I just hope they both keep going for a few more days. VAC Q. Yeah, pretty nice flag. DMTK. Oh, good looking one. Man, this all the good setups have to be so thin. I can't trade anything. Soon I'll just be flipping Tesla back and forth. Small account challenge, they said. No, try a big account challenge. Oh, decent looking one, yeah. You added to your CCL today? Why? Friday was the entry. Friday was the low risk breakout. Today is the chaser breakout. CCIV, yeah, I had it on my watch list today. I removed it. I don't know. I would prefer a better pattern. It's kind of all over the place. Not sure. And not sure usually means no for me. But yeah, I mean, look, this thing could work. Like this thing could very easily go back to the mid 30s or something. It is a very explosive momentum stock, but it's just not good enough setup for me personally. Revolve, yeah, looks okay. Wait, did Yalla report or are they gonna report after hours? They did report? Okay. Oh, wow, beautiful numbers. I'm gonna check out the estimates on it. Not that great estimates though. Am I looking at... Oh, I'm looking at Bumble. Wait. There it is. Beautiful estimates. Why does it have to be so thin though? Why? This thing goes into my triple digit watch list. Boom. SI, yeah, I want a little bit more range. Oh, come on, Mara and Riot. Man, these things are so strong. They're so much stronger than Bitcoin itself. They didn't even dip when Bitcoin dipped over the weekend. These things just keep going. Come on. Stop it. You're not allowed to go up without me. Oh, semis are weak. Or not, actually not. Only MU is weak. If the numbers are good, why is it down on the day? Well, crow up. The thing is, that's not how the stock market works. It may come as a surprise, but sometimes stocks go up on bad news and sometimes stocks go down on good news. Happens all the time. I don't even know what stock you're talking about though, but that's how the stock market works. It's not as simple as good up and bad down. That's literally not how the stock market works. It's actually the exact opposite. NCLH. Looks better on the 60 than on the daily. I had it on my watch list too today, but I removed it. It just wasn't good enough. I'm already in CCL and RCL. So it's, for me, I think these are like, RCL today really good looking, and CCL on Friday really good looking. Yeah, QS looks, well, it's up too much now, but yeah. This one came back. Damn, exactly. Oh, I don't know. Looks pretty good. It's up a bit too much now for an entry. Yalla. Volume so far is pretty decent. It's 22 minutes after open. It's already average daily volume. Yeah, I would say could be a potential EP. But right now it's too weak. It needs to obviously take out the highs for the day. I hope it goes sideways for a few days and then breaks out. Just like this RKT, it had really big numbers, gapped up, crap. The next day it gapped up and just went. That's how the stock market works. It's not straightforward, good up, bad down. No, that's not how it works. Stock market works in a way that confuses most people most of the time. That's why it's so important to have specific entry and exit rules. Numbers are the fuel, yes. Our job is to trade the setups on stocks that have a lot of fuel. The fuel could be earnings and revenue growth. Sometimes it's just revenue growth. Sometimes it's just future revenues and no current product or service. Sometimes it's just a PowerPoint presentation. Earnings could be, well, sorry, fuel could be many things. And in some market environments, some types of fuel work better than others. Fubo? What's the question about Fubo? It's getting tight. Yeah, it's surfing the 100-day. Yeah. Oh, I can't even look. Yeah, I would prefer a bit more sideways maybe, but it could be. Yeah, maybe later this week. This thing. You know what? I'll start watching it. It's one of the fast growers. Yeah, I'll start. Wait, did they have earnings recently? Oh yeah, they did, like 2 weeks ago. Okay. 80% quarter-over-quarter revenue growth. That's not bad. I do like Sava, but I can't trade it because it's too thin for me. Way too thin. It lost all its volume. FTCH. Yeah. Tilray and CGC going. Well, they're both up on the day, so I would say yes. They are going. I don't understand the question. It's obvious they're going. Is it an easy money market? Yeah, I mean, it's not as good as it was November to February, but I would say it's breakouts are working again since last week, really, really nicely. Many of them. And there's still more setting up. So I'm optimistic. None of the stocks I bought have gone like in a big way yet. OGI is up a little bit. FCX is, it's just been sideways. Plug is up a bit. Uber is up a bit. Snap is up a bit. MSTR is up a bit. GMB, oh, this is an old one. GBTC is up a bit. They just need more time. But yeah, I would say it's pretty good. It's a pretty good market. And the most important thing, there are so many things setting up across different sectors. That makes me very optimistic. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. It's the opposite of what happened back in like early mid-February. Like some things went up a little bit, but you saw a lot of things starting to top out. A lot of these extended stocks, they got so tired and no new things were setting up. That's when I started heavily shorting Tesla and Plug and some of these other failed high tide flags. But right now you see a lot of things setting up. That's a very good sign. That gives me conviction. Gotta pay attention to these things. They matter. I do my taxes manually, or at least I pay someone to do them. I don't use any software or Excel. You only need some simple Boomer software to do the taxes. Also, guys, like, does any of you have a lot of experience trading from like mobile, like apps, tablets? I'm thinking about trying out something new. Einar As, who the hell is that? Never heard of it. Oh, Einar As. No. Einar As. Oh, yeah, that guy. Yeah. I read about him, the energy trader in Norway. That's what happens. You get cocky, that's what happens. You get too big for a market, you get too cocky, that's what happens. There's so many stories like that. Study them, guys. Don't be a victim. Study these failures, these super successful traders that blow up. It's the same thing every single time. They use too much margin in a too illiquid market. Or they use some of these historical precedents, like It's always these volatility events that take them out. Should never be too concentrated. This is why I always, when I'm on margin, I usually have 15, 20 different positions, different sectors. I have longs, I have shorts. I think concentration is mostly for losers. If you're a trader, you're gonna blow up. Unless you have a really small account, then it should be more concentrated. Just Google the guy. Einar Ras. Some of these articles are in Swedish, but I guess there are. You can use like Google Translate on these articles. It's a Norwegian energy trader, blew up. He made this. He was just a retail trader. He made like, I think, several hundred million euros, or even maybe €1 billion or something. I haven't read about him in a while. And then he kind of blew up. The same story over and over again. Don't be a victim. You gotta study this. And avoid their mistakes. You should never, ever disrespect risk and low probability events. Because it's the low probability events that are gonna take you out. Yeah, the ultimate risk manager is position size. Groupon. Maybe a few more days. The reason I'm asking about mobile trading is I'm thinking about buying this Galaxy Fold 2. It's a phone and tablet in one. It's pretty cool. So I've tried out these apps like TradingView app, TC2000 app, IB app on my phone. So I'm thinking, instead of, when I'm gonna leave, if I'm gonna leave home during trading hours, could be kind of cool to just have your phone with you. Instead of, like, I always bring my laptop with me, but just to manage positions, it could be kind of cool to have one of these, hybrids, tablet phone hybrids. Just, just a little bit easier than to bring your whole laptop with you. I do have a pretty nice slim laptop, but
so it's been 2 months.
It's pretty cool. Does anyone have experience with these phones? I was at the store and playing around with one, and it's pretty cool. It's not perfect, but I think I could get some value out of this thing. And again, like, I'm not looking to trade off of this thing, just manage positions. Like, if something triggers, like, I do about the third or a quarter of my trading outside of my streaming hours. Like, outside the first hour, hour and a half. So I'm not looking to fanatically trade, but just when I leave home, the few times per year I do that, I leave mom's basement. It's kind of cool to have something, not your laptop with you. 2 phones. Yeah, but this is 2 phones in one. Yeah, but I'm not looking for a smartphone. I'm looking one of these tablet mobile hybrids. Because you know it's like 2 devices in one. You get a small tablet and you have the phone. I'm gonna buy it, test it out. There's a third one coming, Fold 3 coming later this year. I hope they fix the issues the Fold 2 has, but I'm gonna try it out. I rarely get excited about new like phones anymore, but I just kind of the potential with these things is pretty cool. Wait, remote desktop, my desktop at wait, can you do that? Holy shit, I never thought of that. You could actually do that. That's genius. What kind of software do you need? AndyDesk, TeamViewer? That's pretty cool, because then I don't even need the apps. TeamViewer. Don't use AnyDesk? Any... Google has a remote, yeah. Oh. Parallels? What is parallels? Parallels. Wait, Windows on Mac? Why would I do Parallels? I don't even use Mac. That's some good ideas. I never thought about doing... I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it out. Worst case scenario, if it doesn't work out well, I've blown 2 grand. Not a big problem. I'll donate the phone to a random viewer. Preloaded with a lot of Brandy Love content and all. Where do I want to trade from? Yeah, for example, the gym, or you know, anything. I mean, maybe I want to go out with friends on the night. Maybe go to dinner, or I don't know, anything. Just meet up with friends, or go take a run or something. Now that spring is coming, maybe I'll go running or something instead of having. It's kind of hard to go out running with a laptop, but you know, with a phone, like tablet, I just flip it open. I have a tablet. That's pretty cool. Parallels app with TC2000 on my Android phone. Wait, what is this Parallels? I don't get it. Isn't that just for... Wait, did I misunderstand what Parallels is? Isn't that just to run Windows stuff on a Mac? I don't... How do you... Wait. I have a Samsung Galaxy S20. Because someone wrote they have the Parallels app with TC2000 on their Android phone. Is it another Parallels or what? I don't get it. It's so confusing. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. I'm gonna try the Parallels thing out. Thanks, guys. Man, I really appreciate it. There's so many things you can do this. Like, there's so many ways you can, you can try these different things out. Pinterest, looking good. I don't know. I don't see any clean thing here. Now, the overall the stock looks good. They undercut the 100-day, the rising 100-day, and now it's building higher lows above the 100-day. But I just don't see a clean range here. So it's a bit tricky. Yeah, guys, I misunderstood. I thought the market was gonna open up an hour later, but then a friend told me it opens up an hour earlier. So I almost got to the market 2 hours late today. These time zone changes, these daylight savings things, they're always so confusing. It's like rocket science, and I hate rocket science. PLL, yeah, MP I was actually also watching today, but I hesitated. You were browsing Twitch and you saw my stream? Maybe because you subscribe to my stream. I guess it's a higher probability to find it then. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's the daylight savings thing. It's so stupid. I think it would get removed too. Is it a huge effort? I don't think it's a huge effort. Just don't do it. There's no effort at all. It's a bigger effort doing it every year, in my opinion. Not sure. I think it's one of these things that just needs to go away. It makes no sense. Oh, okay. Is there a spike in car accidents on daylight savings day? Wouldn't surprise me. Like people forget about the time change and then they're like late for work and stuff like that. Not sure, but yeah. Yeah, and in a couple of weeks, it's the yeah, we're gonna do it in Sweden. So I think the time will normalize then. The market will open up the normal time. LHDX for mean reversion. No, I don't see a mean reversion trade here, but there is a potential little flag on the 60-minute. But it's not a mean reversion trade. SOS exposure, regular sell rules. Sell something to some into strength and then trail the rest. Just like all my long trades. Guys, come on. If you have any confusion in the way I trade, you really need to follow the instructions on the screen. And if you don't get it the first time, go through all the videos and blogs again, and then again, and then again. It's not rocket science we're doing here. It takes a bit of effort, but it's pretty simple things we're doing here. We're buying here and selling there. That's it. Do I think it's more profitable selling partials at the 3 to 5 days or just sell at the close below? No idea. I think it's good enough. And good enough is all you need to make a shitload of money in the markets. Exactly. It depends. It depends on the market. In some markets you wish you had sold everything on day 3 to 5. In some markets you wish you didn't sell anything on day 3 to 5. But that's not the point. The point is having a set of rules that you follow no matter what. And not letting the market dictate. And not trading on emotions depending on what the market is doing. Now obviously you have to adapt to the market too, but if you follow something that's good enough, that's and also, right, you know, it's a beginner. Like I try to dumb down the rules as much as possible. This is the simplest way. You can always add complexity and the intuition If you get a 3, 5, 7 years under your belt. YI, yeah, okay, looks okay. Twitter, yeah, Twitter is pretty good looking. I like this one. I hope it doesn't go today though. It would be really sick looking setup for tomorrow. Damn, I should have bought more SOS, I guess. We only bought 400,000 shares. David, you haven't followed the instructions on the screen? David. BSY. Not sure about this one. But yeah, if it breaks out on high volume, absolutely. Yeah, Frosty and Reno gave me some Nocco. I'm drinking one of their Noccos right now. This thing breaks this range from volume. That could be good. It's a micro cap name, maybe even nano cap. So it needs a lot of volume to break it. Blue Square, yeah, good looking one. Too late to buy now, but yeah, similar to SOS. You're absolutely right. Yeah, I sometimes get stopped out several times before I catch a move. Happens both on the long and the short side. Is there a maximum amount of times you're willing to get stopped out before giving up on a stock? No. I'm a big fan of BDSM, so no, there is no maximum times. Futu, yeah, this one has earnings tomorrow, but this is, oh man, if we can go tight, oh wait, is it pre-market or after hours tomorrow? I guess it's after hours. Most stocks report after. Oh, it's BMO! Okay. You know what, if this thing closes like this and breaks out on earnings tomorrow, I'm gonna go full retard on it. You should never go full retard. Futu is, I really like it, especially if it can break out on earnings. One of the fastest growing stocks right now. Insane growth. Big momentum and a nice little range. All you need to make a ton of money. All the ingredients are there. Difference between Twitter and DMTK? There's no difference. They're both semi-decent momentum stocks. Building higher lows has a range. DMTK was building higher lows, had a range, and it's breaking out. And this is what Twitter could be looking like tomorrow. The same pattern. Options? I don't know what an option is. I can't recommend any options traders. Brokers, sorry. Look, I know I was an option expert a couple of months ago, but I have short memory, so I forgot everything. GSL? Not really. David comes with a word of caution. LDI IPO base, it's pretty good. Pretty good looking. Pretty damn good. I would say it's a 5-star pretty much, 4.5 stars. Holy shit, this thing has insane growth. But it's so thin. It's so thin. And this is my chat buying. These are, everyone's buying here. You're gonna lose all your money eventually. I know it's probably all the people in the chat buying it right now. Look at this volume candle. You're gonna lose all your money. The entry was opening range highs. Yeah, there's a lot of people who missed open. I was about to miss open too, by 2 hours. I thought it was the other way around. I thought the market was gonna open an hour later, but then a friend reminded me. I was wrong. $999 makes no sense because it's compared with null number. No, it's not. December quarter last year, they earned, at least in MarketSmith, they earned 1 penny, and this December they earned $1.16. Yes, we have it, but it's not the same date. Oh, looks like I got stopped out of HEQ. Well, Wait, I had slippage? I had slippage on HEQ? Guys, do you see this volume candle here? Do you see this volume candle? Yeah. Guess where I bought and guess where I sold. I love this ETF. So I'm half of the volume. I'm more than half of the volume on HEQ today. Oh, I'm more than half of the volume. Now let's do a small account challenge. No, let's do a big account challenge. Do a medium account challenge? Yeah. I'll do that. Yeah, the Wick Man. $213% year to date. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, Lodbrok. I don't see anything on skills right now. Yeah, Lodbrok, hey, Lodbrok, if you're not careful, you're gonna have a big account challenge on your hands. Be careful, man, okay? Don't go full retard. You don't want a big account. Trust me on that one. Tomorrow market open normally? I thought the market opened normally today also. Yeah, don't buy breakouts during a correction. That's a very fast way of losing a lot of money. Yeah, there was a lot of setups Friday and today. And there's many more setting up. I'm getting kind of excited. I am. I haven't been this excited in a while. In at least a month. And I missed a lot of good ones. But I also caught a bunch, so I can't complain. No. Make sure you don't buy breakouts during a correction. Yeah, Lodbrok, be careful. Be careful growing your account too much. If you're gonna have returns like that, you're gonna have a big account soon. I like when you misquote me, you fucker. Artnik 169. Oh god. I'm the Wicker, yeah. I'm the Wicker. The Wicker Man. John Wick. Man, this GME is actually flagging on the 60. Oh shit, what if it has another leg higher? Goes back to 400s. Ooh. Who would have thought Wall Street Bets was gonna pull it off again? I did not think that would happen. I love Wall Street Bets. They're my friend. They yeah. It was a little bit unclear where the line was. It turns out the line was at 40 bucks. So there was a little bit of confusion at first, but it came pretty much all the way back so far. Kind of cool. Because usually when you get these huge parabolic moves, that's it. Like that's it usually. Like 95% of the time, that's it. It's not gonna make a big move again. But this one actually came all the way back. Do I ever buy below the 10 MA? Rally. Yeah, AMC too, yeah. Oh, that's what happened. Yeah, the stimulus. Has the stimulus checks, have they gone out? Have they reached their, have they reached Robinhood bank accounts? Or brokerage accounts yet? Some? Alright, let's go. March 17th. You got yours? Nice. David, you're not gonna get the check. David, you're the one paying for them. You're the one paying the checks. Chem Life, it's my fault you didn't get a stimulus check. Hey, Chem Life, can I quote you on Twitter? Since when did David become a mod? Since last week or 2 weeks ago. The They Secret Discord? Yeah, you need a lot of money. And it's not something you join, it's something you get invited to. You have to go through some dark rituals. You have to sacrifice 3 goats. So it's a process to get into the They shorting Discord. Yeah, you have to jump into dark pool. You have to swim through a dark pool. That's some scary shit, man. And the 3 dead goats, they're floating around in the dark pool and you just hope you're not gonna swim into one of them. Do I moonlight as a stand-up comedian? I don't know what moonlight means. Or I know what moonlight means, but I don't know what it means in this context. Remember when I swam into dead there? No, I don't. Wait, did I swim into dead there? When? Wait, Levi, I'm gonna make you a moderator so you don't have to wait 2 minutes. Hey, Levi, I made you a moderator. Now you can write the villa. Did I? I don't remember that. It sounds, yeah, it sounds like something that happened to me. Fubo going? Yeah, there's no setup. I'm actually gonna take it off. W looks interesting though. MU. Yeah, MU. I hope it doesn't go. Oh my god, it's gonna be a 5-star setup for tomorrow. And this one I can actually do size. Oh man, if this thing stays like this today and breaks out tomorrow or day after tomorrow or whatever, I'm gonna do some size on it. I'll do 250,000 shares. Yeah. When you get a liquid stock with a good setup, you gotta size in. Yeah, bingo is looking good, yeah. But couldn't it stay down for today? Why MU looks good? It's a really good looking flag. Look at how linear and orderly it is. Big momentum stock. Really good looking. WWR? I don't know. It looks a bit too random. But it's one of these battery related names, and it's a strong sector. I just don't see a good setup here. Difference is W is about to break out a long range. It's in a big flag. Oh shit, I bought too many shares. Oh, no. Oh, okay, whatever. I hope it works out. Yeah, Bumblebee. Oh, it just triggered. Okay. I hope it goes sideways a bit more, builds a little bit more of a base. Am I not? Aren't you early on MU? Why would I be early on MU? I'm not sure what these NFT things are, but I think once people get the stimulus checks, these things, man, I'm gonna be proactive here. I'm gonna gamble a bit on them. There are no setups, but well, actually, there are potential EPs in these things, and I think there's so much money wanting to chase things right now. Man, they're so low priced, most of them. Look, as long as GME looks like this, there is speculation money in the markets. Let's just say that. And they're just waiting for the next thing. And NFT is something that's, everyone's talking about. And it hasn't gone yet. Guys, do you know any more NFT stocks than these? I'm gonna buy them all. Or at least the ones that are not penny stocks. Zikin. It's a steel company. Hey, look, as long as people think it's an NFT, why not? Yeah, OCG I already have. IMTL. Oof. 1 cent stock. Let's go. Zikin. Oh, okay, sure. Fuck it, I'm gonna go full retard on these. They can't stop me. They can't stop me. Oh no, my discipline is here. I just know when they want to run something big. This is a picture perfect scenario of speculation money just waiting for new things. I know, I just recognize the signs. This is called asymmetrical risk reward. TCAT. Is it an IPNFF? This one is already in my list. Kodak, OCT, FTMSF also in my list. YVR also my list. Well, you just put all the stocks I already have on my list. SMKG. Okay, this one I didn't have. Nintendo. Well, then Nintendo is too big. Nintendo is a legit one. I want all the frauds. The fraudier, the better. Nintendo is not a fraud. CWRK. Yeah, it's on my list. Large print, 22 million. It's not a big print for MU. It's irrelevant. I don't know why you're posting something like this. MU is one of the most liquid stocks in the stock market. That's like piss in the sea on MU. FNKO. Aren't they doing these stupid toys? Pongf. It's already here. Wait, where are you? Oh, there. No, wait, where is this guy? Okay. Please put tickers in caps. It's so hard to see. W on there. Okay, I'll put it here. Kodak MKGI. What's this? Okay, I'll put it here. Gotta stay on top of these things. FTMSF. IPNFF. Yeah, Pongf is in my list, I think. Yeah. Sino 2. Okay, it's a shipping company. Sure, let's go. Sino, they are always in the new stuff. Again, okay. I may be dead wrong on these things, but with the stimulus checks coming, and you know, with GME, which is the speculative like speculation monitor, I think there is some potential here. I just recognize the signs. It's an asymmetrical risk reward. OCG. Should I go even more retard on it? Fuck it. Zikin. I'm gonna admit, if these things go down, I'll be in trouble. I will be in some trouble. This may be my ticket to $100 million account. Let's go. I'm treating them all as one trade. They're different stocks, but they're the same trade. I feel so filthy right now. I'm gonna take a shower after this. I haven't had so much filth in my portfolio in a while. Blowing myself up by putting, let's see. Wait, Kodak. How big is my position in this thing? I hate the dust platform. They should have 1,000 separator. I can't figure out how big my position is. 300 times 10. Wait, it's showing the wrong number. Oh, it's not marginable. Okay, I get it now. Oh, okay. So pretty much, you know, I put about 7% of my equity in these filth stocks. Even if they go to zero in the next 5 minutes, I'll still be up on the month. But again, it's asymmetrical risk reward. Okay, I need to move that position. No, it's not about that. I need 1,000 separator, either a space or a decimal. Like, because I you know, the numbers are so long, I can't figure out if it's a 7 or 8 figure digit. That's the problem. Guys, do you know if there is a like 1,000 separator in DOS? Like in Sterling there is. Like you can exactly see the amount. But if you have like a position that's in the millions or tens of millions, there's like, you know, you can't figure out what the position is. You have to count the numbers. Damn boomer software. Like these things are literally designed for people with tiny accounts. Let's see. Well, at this point, I don't think the Kodak earnings matter. It's all about the speculation now. We trust in the Wall Street bets. The Beatles. I kinda like the British Queen. Beatles. This weird insects. I don't like insects. How old is the British Queen? Like 105? Oh, music bands? No idea. I only listen to Hearts of Iron 4 music. You can sell whenever you want. NTTCF. Yeah, man, they're so liquid, all of them. This Zikin is it's an EP. Listening to options flow messed up your performance? Yeah. Usually if you start listening to a bunch of different things, it will mess up your performance. The only thing you should listen to is the market. The more complexity you add, the worse your performance will be. Of the shovels of snow. David, Why would you shovel some snow when you can sit in front of the computer and trade? What kind of loser mentality is that? Don't you have kids to do that for you? What are kids good for? If you can't make them do stuff you don't want to do. Need some exercise? Okay, okay. Fair enough. David's turn. Okay, good luck, David. Don't break your back. David, we need you. Don't break your back. Yeah, David, you should get a flamethrower. Like a real one, not the stupid one that Tesla sells. Like a real flamethrower. Or not Tesla, Boring Company. That's the dumbest thing ever. It's not even a flamethrower. Well, actually it's not. It's called not a flamethrower or something like that. But it's still stupid. Get a real one, David. Then you don't have to shovel. All mods are Swedish. No, the only criteria to become a mod is you need to be a professional short seller. So we can create coordinated short attacks together. That's the only criteria for my moderators. Exactly. Shanos, we have people from Shanos Funds, we have people from the Melvin Capital. 0.79. Yeah, Soros is in here. Your Melvin Capital set of risk? Yeah, the brightest of the bright. Madoff is in here. Wait, he wasn't a short seller though. I can't see the flamethrower link doesn't work in Sweden. I have to put on my, I'll turn on my what's it called? Oh wait, GME. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's gonna go down to 200 without me. Maybe there will be a setup later. VPN, yes, thanks. That's what it's called. When you don't consider descending moving averages, it doesn't matter, because what matters is it found support on these major moving averages, like MSTR, undercut it, and it doesn't matter that the 10 and 20 have turned down. It's already had a big correction. This thing went down almost 60%. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut the stream now. I have a phone to buy. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow.